Let's talk about useState hook in React. If you are new to React, hooks are tools that help you manage the information in your app. The useState hook is one of the most commonly used hooks, and it allows you to keep track of information like a number, text, or whether a button is clicked. Before the useState hook, React class components were used to manage state using the setState method. However, managing state in class components could be complex and verbal. To simplify state management, React introduced functional components in version 16.8. With the introduction of functional components, the useState hook was also introduced to manage state in a more concise and readable way. Now let's dive into how to use the state hook. In React, you can create variables to store information, and these variables are called state. The useState hook allows you to create and update state in your components. Think of a state as a piece of memory that your component can use to store information. When you create a state using the useState hook, React allocates a small piece of memory for your component to use. We are creating a variable called myInfo and setting its initial value to hello. We are also using setMyInfo function to update the value of myInfo. Whenever setMyInfo is called with a new value, React automatically updates information in our component. You can think of myInfo as a piece of memory that's allocated for our component to use. When we use setMyInfo to update the value of myInfo, React goes in and updates the piece of memory that's allocated for our component.